Daddy, so
Watch
done,
out.
so done.
Don't get run over.
Oh, done.
Why? She's still driving. She wants to take a ride. The door's shut. All right, here we go. No, Oscar, don't do that, please. Get down, please. Oscar.
I'm trying to get up here.
I know, but you're gonna tip it over.
Bench.
You're gonna tip it over.
Oh, you
Think you should get down, Mr. Chocolate Face.
Let's
Let's get down. Olive wants to take a drive. You want to push her?
No.
Don't climb up there again. I said get down. You can climb on the other one. Look out! Look out! Uh-oh, hope there's no poop over here. Oh, let's stop.